wondering on day 35 why we live in this country, other than apparently cold exposure, according to Jake. It is a complete, it's a complete and total whiteout.
He wants to take the day off so he can go swimming.
Yeah, he wants to go swimming in the lake during a whiteout. Stone delivery. Day 35?
Hey everyone, day 35. We got our stone. It's freezing. The guys just had to carry this in. Obviously, I did not have a part in that, but absolutely beautiful. The relationship that we have with our stone supplier, which is Granite Edge, located in Mississauga on Unity Drive. Guys, they are amazing. Adolf Pan. We have Van here as well with his installers. So we just carried this in. We're going to get this all solidified, hooked up, and we got this actually installed in 4 days, and that's what relationships are all about. When you're looking for suppliers, you want to look for people that you can count on, you can rely on, you can trust, and that deliver your stuff fast.
To the stairs. Day 35. Hi, Steve.
Hello everyone.
What are you doing?
So believe it or not, we're about halfway through fixing up these stairs, and I say halfway because we still have to do some dap on the sides, paint touch-ups, a little bit of gray. But I don't know if you remember from the beginning that this was a hideous staircase. It was actually where they allowed the pigs and the ducks.
Amazing.
That was pigs and ducks to live down here in the basement. Did you show them the basement recently?
No, I will though. Go ahead.
Yeah, come on down. So what we're doing today is we're putting on these. We can get them in a 6-foot length from Rona, our suppliers. Thank you, Rona. They actually come with a 3M stuck on strip on the back. So once you cut it to the desired length, you peel off the red strip. Make sure when you're fastening it, you get it where you want it before you push down, because you won't be pulling them back off.
So we haven't moved in 5 minutes.
It's the end of day 35. We are on top of the waterway and the skyway. It is 2:01. We ended up getting into traffic at about 1:23, and we are literally just sitting here.
Lockdowns. Lockdowns, yeah. Okay. Oh my god.